Hello everybody, welcome back. We are going to be kicking off the new year with a craft haul. I haven't done these properly for such a long time because I tried really hard to be good in 2022, but towards the end of last year a few things did catch my eye, and that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So technically this is a craft haul from 2022. Just rolled over to 2023. So I really hope everyone had a great, safe New Year's celebration, and I hope so far the new year has been kind to you. And let me show you what I've got. Now, if you do like haul videos, please do remember to hit the subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. And if you enjoyed today's video or find it useful, please also remember to leave a thumbs up. So where should we start? The first things I'm going to show you are some absolute bargains that I found. Now, these are all branded things that were being sold for charity, so they were a fraction of the normal price. Packaging is damaged, but they're fine. They're absolutely fine. I just can't tell you where I got them from or who I got them from because I've been asked not to. So I'm going to show you what I've got here. The first thing I have is this Daisy May stencil. So this is actually what started the whole buying process, because I saw this and saw the price. It was like £3 or £4 and I was like, I need that in my life. I really like Daisy May Designs products. Unfortunately, Claire's now not designing products anymore. The Christmas stuff was her last bits and pieces, so I'm really sad. This is actually quite an older stencil now, but I'm really happy to finally have this. I have a few of her stencils and I really enjoy using them, so I thought this would be great for Valentine's makes, and I've already started using it. Then I saw this one, again, Daisy May Designs. I didn't have this one, and for the price I was like, that's coming home with me as well. So that jumped into my basket. That's called Primitive Stars Stencils. Haven't used that one yet. I thought that'd be quite nice for baby cards, funnily enough. So I've got those. And then, as you do, I just started looking at what else this person was selling, and I found a few things. So I have this stencil here. I think I was on a bit of a kick for stencils at the time. I have one of these creative, like, geometry themed stencils already, and when I saw this one I thought, you know, that looks really interesting and really quite fun to play with, so I grabbed that. I can't remember exactly the prices of all of this, but yeah, they were deals. Then I saw this. I absolutely adore card making magic, and this was a really good price, so I thought that would be really nice for some Mother's Day cards or like thank you cards or just loads of different things. So I thought, well, I'm going to have that. That is the Rambling Rose 6x6 stencil, so I grabbed that. Then I saw these. Oh my goodness, I have never clicked buy so fast in my life. I really have a thing for banners and tags and things like that. When I saw these, I was like, yep, those are going to be mine. I have already cut a load of these out. I used my scraps and cut a load out, so I've got some prep done, ready for New Year projects. And honestly, apart from a little bit of damage on the packaging, there's nothing wrong with these things. They were all sealed, they're all complete, there's nothing wrong with them. So I got those. Then I saw a Simply Made Crafts again, a stamp set. It's all sentiments. I don't think you can ever have enough sentiment stamps, so I grabbed this as well. There's some really nice ones on there, and I think they'll work quite nicely with these tags. So I grabbed those. And then the last thing I got was this Paper Discovery, and this is literally really intricate frames, and apparently they emboss. I haven't played with these yet. The largest one is 12.4 by 17.5 centimeters, so you know, a good size. I'm really excited. I wanted them literally for the decorative frames, not so worried about the rose in the middle, although I'm sure I use it, but it was this and this and this that really jumped out at me, so I got those as well. So I was really excited to get those, and I can't wait to have a play And then I did do a very small AliExpress order at the end of last year. So the first thing I got was some more stickers. You all know, if you've been with me a while, I love my stickers for journaling. So I got more people ones. I think between people like stickers and the quote word things, like those are what I use most. So I like these because they're quite cartoony, but they're lifelike at the same time, and I just thought like they were really cute and I can see me using them. So I got those. I really like that one. So they're really quite pretty. I'll just show you really quick. Some random bits in there, and that one. And then I got these. Oh my god, these are gorgeous. Look at these, really expressive. These are just stunning. I would buy these ones again, most definitely. I love her. I think she's great. She's beautiful. I wish I could be that chic. I love that one. That's going to be great for winter journaling. She's just really cool. She's beautiful. I mean, just look at them. So they're like cartoony, but lifelike, and that's what kind of appealed. And yeah, so love her, absolutely love her. So yeah, got those for my journaling, which I will be continuing on with in the new year. And then I went on a bit of a kick for dies. I'll show you the ones I'm not too impressed with first of all. So these are the ones I'm not massively impressed with because they are so small. There was some very clever photography going on with this post because these looked so much bigger in the post. I have gone back and checked and they didn't list any sizes on the listing, but their photography was very deceptive. So I'm sure they'll be great for journaling with at the end of the day, and they did put in a couple of little free gifts with it, which are just some hearts. But yeah, had I realised they were that size, I probably wouldn't have bothered, if I'm honest, although they weren't expensive. And then I went on a massive flower die kick. I haven't got loads of flower dies and I really enjoy making flowers, so I wanted to get some more. So this one I'm really excited by. I don't have anything like that at all, and I think it's going to look absolutely amazing when it's all made up. So I have that one. Then just grab some packaging so you can see properly. I got this one here, and that bit there, that little dove thing, that's actually a free gift. That wasn't on the listing. However, it did show this made up with greenery, so I kind of thought it was going to have greenery like in the thing, but actually if you scrolled through the listing it didn't show it with greenery, so again a little bit deceptive, but I really like these. I think they're a great size, so I can't wait to make those up. And then I got these ones, and I quite like that they are all joined together because it will just make it so much quicker for cutting them out. These ones do come with the leaves. They've got the little stamens there. I think they're going to look really, really nice. Then I got these ones. Again, I don't have anything exactly like this. I might have something similar, but I don't have anything exactly like that. So I think my afternoon is literally going to be sat making flowers, and I couldn't think of anything I'd rather do, if I'm honest. And then I got these ones. Look at this. It has got a bit bent in the postage. Can you see? I hadn't seen anything like this before, and it really, really appealed to me. So I've grabbed that. I think that's going to be fun to piece together. I don't normally do a lot of like piecing together. I haven't got the patience for it. But just because it kind of looks quite easy, I thought I'd give it a go. And I really liked like the different, I don't know what you'd call it, like amounts the flowers are open, I guess. So I have those as well, and that's all from AliExpress. So with these ones I will try and leave links in the description box to these products in case you wanted to grab any of these dies. And that is quite literally my little haul that's left over from 2022 for the start of 2023. So I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. Let me know if anything stands out to you, and let me know if you have a favourite product that I have shown. Thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate everyone who stops by and watches my videos. If you have enjoyed this video, please do give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button, because it does help my channel grow and reach more people. I will be back soon with more videos, so until next time, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.